2002 Honda Civic Si with the K20 motor. This one, I'm changing out the knock sensor on it. And you're going to need a few items in order to get it done. You're going to need, first off, the knock sensor, which is this guy right here. Alright, you're also going to need this oil pressure sensor socket, which it actually fits on it just perfect, which, you know, I found that to be a shock. 2 wobble head extensions, and I'll explain that in a minute, and a pretty nice ratchet. You know, something that's like slim. Now, half of my tools I got from Harbor Freight. Not trying to give them a rep, but, you know, I'm just saying Harbor Freight works, you know. Okay, so first thing you want to do, naturally, you want to jack it up. Use a jack stand. Safety first, everybody. All right, and then we want to crawl up under it. Now, they say you're supposed to take off the intake manifold, and then you loosen up this cross member here, and then you know, pull the manifold up, and it sits right up under there. But another key to doing this here, if you got it, is my hands aren't very big, so, you know, I can get them in tight spots. That's what I do. So I'm going up under. Okay, all right, so the knock sensor is that little connector right there. Once you unplug that, then you can put the oil pressure sensor socket on there, and then we can make some things work. So the first thing you want to do is you want to unplug the sensor. I couldn't film me unplugging the sensor because space is kind of limited though. Come on, camera, focus. All right, but as you can see, I got my socket on there somewhere. Okay, yes, I got it on there. So I already put one of the 2 extensions on there, and then the next time I'm going to set my ratchet on there, and then go ahead and take it out. Okay, all right, so when you have it set up in there, right? Oh, come on, focus. Yeah, it should look like that. And then all you got to do is just, you know, break it loose. And but the main reason why you want to use the 2 extensions there is so that way, if you use just one solid one, the AC line is in the way and you can't quite, you know, clear it. But if you go too long, you just go with a 6-inch extension. Then what happens is it touches up against the fan right there. We don't want to run across those problems. So basically, you know, when you put the 2 extensions together, like I said, it comes out to be about 2.5 inches. So probably close to about 5 inches, which gives us all the space that we need to, you know, to break it loose. But yeah, once you break it loose, you know, you're good. Everything should screw in and out. Life should be all peachy. But yeah, put my little girly hand in there. I don't know, I broke it loose like I said, so just unscrew it, just like that. And look at that. Would you just look at that? Just look at that. That is the knock sensor. All right, so that's the knock sensor there. Take out the old one. Dispose of it properly. I'm not suggesting that you throw it at someone you really dislike, but I'm just saying you shouldn't keep it. And set that back in there. And then screw it back in there. Alright, screwing a new one back in here. Alright, so now we got that in there, we can and we are nice and snug there. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, couldn't film the all important parts, but as you can see, that's a shiny brand new sensor right there, and that is how you do it. Basically, you know, you kind of have to sneak your hand in between between the subframe and the oil pan, you know, and in between this harness right here, and you can basically get to it. It's pretty simple, you know, a little bit complicated sometimes, but you know, simple to say the least. So, you know, So if y'all want to give it a try, that's how you do it. But yep, love P Series.